Alright, here we go guys. SPx 0607 Basketball. Shebang bang. I'm actually trying to complete the rookie auto set of this. I'm very close. I think I've got all the big ones. You know, I've got Brandon Roy. I've got a couple of Rondos, 3 to be exact. I obviously collect Rondo, as most of you know. Wouldn't mind a Spectrum Rondo. That'd be handy. See if any of these packs jump out at me. No jumpers. No jumpers. Let's see how we do. Alright, so if you haven't seen the base, crawl out from the rock you've been under, because it's 3 years old, this shit. Felton, John Stockton Excitement, Boris Diaw. Very thin packs. Alright. Lamar Odom, Kirilenko, Excitement of Bobby Jones. Speedy Claxton. Speedy. Alright, so next we've got Grant Hill, Ricky Davis, Excitement of Tyrus Thomas. Yao Ming base. Alright, so we got Kobe, Ben Gordon, Excitement of Larry Bird, Nowitzki. Got a sweet Larry Bird auto out of Trademark Moves. Check it out. Alright, so we've got a hit of some kind. Gonna make his way. Shebang bang. Alright, Drew Gooden. We got a Ryan Hollins rookie. Mean. Scrub. Alright, Jermaine O'Neal, Zach Randolph, Drexler Excitement. Clyde the Glide. This still sticker. And I was wrong. That's what she said. Chris Bosh, Channing Frye, and we've got Cedric Simmons. Oh, that's another hit. I think that's our rookie. I've had 2 before, which means some poor sucker probably got none. Ray Allen, Marion. It's a Sayer Sene rookie. Neve Stash on the end. Hello. Alright, we've got some Simeon. We've got a David Robinson Excitement. Oh, I'm sure I've got the full set of Excitement. I am sure. The CP3 on the end. Alright, got another bit of a hit there. I think it's going to be a scrub hit, but can't hit hard every pack. Tim Duncan. A bit of a mellow. Will he go to New York? I think so. Because Stoudemire can't hold a team. Not saying he's a bad. I think we got. Is it 2 rookies? Yeah, I think we got 2 rookies. Gotta love it. T-Mac. Grant Hill Excitement. I'm excited to get it. Kat's just lying here watching. She loves it. Can't get enough cards. Chris Webber. I was going through all my old cards. I've got every one of his rookie cards, like 10 or 15 of each. Kobe Excitement. I may not have Kobe Excitement. I'm excited by the Kobe, but I don't know if I have had the Kobe Excitement. Zydrunas Glauskas, Antoine Jameson, T. Parker. Did I have him before, or was it someone else? Low numbering on those to $29.99. Richard Hamilton, Jason Williams, Ray Allen, Sonics. That's how old this stuff is. Alright, let's go. First one of these, we've got Dwayne Wade. And it's a winning materials Michael Red. Hot seller on eBay, that one, kids. That's a maybe $1. Oh, spoiler alert. Alright, so we got a Scene Excitement. Very exciting. AI, and then we've got Flashback Fabrics. Oh, that's not too bad. Allen Iverson. Gotta be some AI fans out there who want that. And his Sixers jersey. Alright, the first of the ones I think is a rookie hit. We've got Chris Bosh Excitement. Finley, Iguodala. Ah! This is one of the ones I don't have. Very nice, very nice. And it's numbered 761 of 1199. Rudy Gay. Yeah. That puts me ever so close to the set. Ever so close. Alright, let's hope another one's the one I need. I've got a Magic Johnson HIV Excitement. Okafor Bogut. Josh Boone. Come on, man. I just bought this off eBay for 1 cent. Oh. What a jip. Damn you, Josh Boone. Alright, UD SPx SPx, it delivers what it promises. A little, but not a lot.